my dear viewers and my dear student. Today we will do the menu. How we have to plan the menu, and then we have to discuss their structure, all that. If you really like to watch these type of videos in the future also, please to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. The menu is one that lists all the items available for selection by a customer. Like in the hotel, in the or restaurant, there is a one menu. We have to select the our like dishes or any kind of item from that menu. It is very important for internal control of the food service system. It is a major determinant for the budget. It gives customer a sense of who you are as an operation, part of an organization brand identity that are described by the menu. Next, menu trends. Menu trends is decided menu item from other countries. For example, vegetable meatless entrees, self-contained food that is wraps and calzones, focaccia and flavored breads. This is all included in the menu trend. Next is menu presentation. We know that menu or the food items that should be presentable. What are the main function of the presentation? Function of menu, that is a customer education. How we can present the menu. Spoken menu. Spoken menu means orally presented by the dietitians to a patient. It is a braille, pictures and the large type menus for the customer with the vision, hearing or the speech impairment. Table the hot. It is a food item grouped together and sold for one price. For example, as a buffet. It is sold for the one item, one price. A la carte food item that is priced individually. That is a la carte. It nowadays a la carte isn't in trend for the menu presentation. Next is a menu pattern. It is an outline of the menu item categories for each meal. That is appetizer, entries and the desserts. It decided the number of menu item choices in each that can vary according to the goal of the food service operation. One of three basic types of menu used. Next is a type of menus. One is a static menu, that is the same menu item are offered every day. It is frequently used if restaurant's concept is built around the menu that include decor, advertisement campaign, market segment, identify as the target audience. For example, Red Lobster and the Olive Garden. Next menu is a cycle menu. Cycle menu is a different item each day on a weekly, bi-weekly or some other basis, after which the cycle is repeated. Seasonal cycle menu are common. It is used in healthcare institution and the school. It offers variety with some degree of control over purchasing, production and the cost. Next is single use. It is planned for service on a particular day and not used in the exact form a second time. It is used in on-site food service in which the customer does not vary much from day to day. For example, college and university food services use single-use menu as a monetary breaker. Next is degree of choice. The number of choices determined by goals of each food service operation. It is static menu might have few choices in limited menu restaurant. Cycle or single use may provide selection for some item but not other. For example, catered business lunch, no choice for center of the plate or salad but choice of bread, beverage or the dessert. Next is a very important one, menu structure. We have to design the menu structure as well. There are certain issues that we have to consider in menu structure. For example, location of food service, name of food service, what it says to the customer, primary target audience, menu priorities and capability of the staff. And and continues the same thing. Menu structure, that is balancing the labor and the food cost, that is quite challenge. Menu planner concern that we have to add the variety to the seasonal menus, keeping cycle menus exciting, offsetting high price item with the low price. Grazing, eating small amount of food throughout the day. Grazing means flexibility, frequency and the food. This is a food guide pyramid by which we have to decide the serving of the food item or the food group. We know that there are 5 main food groups. We have to divide the food according to their food groups. First is the, we have to take the 6 to 11 serving of the bread, cereal, rice and the pasta, that is main contains the carbohydrate. After that the fruit, that contains 2 to 4 serving. After that vegetable, that consists of 3 to 5 serving. Then meal, poultry, fish, dry bean, egg and nuts, that is 2 to 3 serving. Then milk, yogurt and the cheese group, that is 2 to 3 serving. And last is the fat, oil and sweets, that we have to use sparingly. We should know that fat, they are naturally occurring food, and the sugar we have to add it. This is all about the menu and the menu planning and the menu structure. If you really like to watch these types of videos in the future also, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share the same video. Thank you so much. God bless you.